Zakaria grew up in a bustling city where the noise of traffic mixed with the calls of street vendors. His life, filled with the humdrum of daily existence, began to feel increasingly empty. One evening, as the sun set over the cityscape, Zakaria found himself standing before the grand mosque he had passed by countless times. The call to prayer echoed in his ears like a distant whisper of something profoundly true. Zakaria's journey began with a single step inside the mosque. The marble floors felt cool beneath his feet, contrasting with the warmth and welcome he felt from the congregation. Yet, doubts gnawed at his mind. Why, after all these years, did he feel drawn to this sacred place? What did it mean for him to embrace a faith he knew so little about? These questions haunted him even as he began to attend the mosque regularly. His family, deeply rooted in secularism, viewed his newfound interest with skepticism. His father, a staunch atheist, saw Zakaria's quest as a rebellion, while his mother remained silently disapproving. His friends, used to the carefree Zakaria, were bewildered and occasionally mocking. Despite these challenges, Zakaria found solace in the Quran. The verses spoke to him in ways words never had before. Tawhid, the oneness of Allah, became a cornerstone of his contemplation, bringing clarity to his thoughts and purpose to his actions. The stories of the Prophet Muhammad inspired him, leaving imprints of humility and strength on his heart. At the mosque, he found a second family. The Imam, a gentle yet firm guide, became a mentor. The community embraced Zakaria, and he started attending study circles where debates on spiritual and philosophical themes enriched his understanding. The mosque transformed from an imposing structure to a sanctuary of learning and growth. Amidst his transformation, Zakaria met Ali, a friend with a contrasting perspective on religion. Ali, disillusioned by organized faith, challenged Zakaria's beliefs, pushing him to think deeper and solidify his understanding. Their conversations, though sometimes intense, fostered mutual respect and broadened their horizons. Zakaria's journey was laden with trials and triumphs. His relationship with the Quran deepened, shaping his worldview and fortifying his faith. As the days turned into months, Zakaria noticed not just a change within himself, but also in his surroundings. His family, initially resistant, began to show a flicker of understanding. His friends, seeing the peace Zakaria exuded, became more curious about his faith. The transformation was not just personal, but communal. Zakaria's path to Islam was one of seeking, questioning, and ultimately understanding. It was a journey that began in doubt, but led to a profound sense of purpose. The sacred path he walked not only rekindled his spirit, but also illuminated the way for others. In the end, Zakaria's faith was a testament to the power of seeking Allah with an open heart, steadfast patience, and unwavering determination.